Warmer weather means more salads, and homemade dressing is so much healthier than store-bought. Stay tuned for a healthy and delicious one. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we truly believe that there is no greater wealth than your health. Today we're going to be making a heart-healthy Asian salad dressing. In your blender, add 1/2 cup of either olive oil or avocado oil. Both have really strong anti-inflammatory properties and are great for your heart health. Next, let's add 1/4 cup of either rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Both have really similar flavors, so either will work in this recipe. You just want to use whatever works best for your body and your diet. 2 tablespoons of either sesame seed oil, roasted sesame seeds, or tahini, all of which are rich in antioxidants and have high anti-inflammatory properties. This adds a wonderful nutty flavor to our recipe. 2 tablespoons of raw honey to add just a little bit of sweetness to our recipe. And you're always welcome to substitute this with your preferred sweetener. 2 tablespoons of almond butter, which is rich in vitamin E, so that means it's healthy for your skin. 1 tablespoon of either liquid aminos or coconut aminos. And amino acids are the building blocks of life. There are 2 types. There's essential and non-essential. Our bodies create the non-essential, but the essential we need to get from the foods we eat or something just like this, liquid amino acids. 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger root, which is so good for your digestion, bone health, immune health, and it may also help with respiratory conditions. The last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add 1 scoop of our clean sourced collagen powder, which is so good for your skin, digestion, and joints. And it's also been put through third-party testing, and it's showing that there is no glyphosate, heavy metals, or pesticides. That's super impressive. That's why we call it clean sourced, because it's super clean. Blend up all of your ingredients really well. You'll want to store your dressing in the refrigerator. It lasts for about 2 weeks. And if you want more, so it only makes about 1 cup. If you want more, just double the recipe, super easy to make. It's also really good as a dip for vegetables. And if you want to do that, then you'll probably want to add 1 or 2 more tablespoons of almond butter just to thicken up the consistency a bit. I'll just show you how thick it is when I pour it out here onto the salad. It's a beautiful consistency, and you can serve it over really whatever salad you want to. So if you have some cabbage and carrots, it would be amazing. I just put it over some spinach and sliced almonds. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Dip my carrot in it. This dressing is super flavorful. I think you're going to love it. I hope you give it a try, and it's super healthy. Have fun in the kitchen. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, I'm here every week with a new healthy and tasty recipe, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any. I'll see you next week in the kitchen. Bye.